All right, everybody, welcome to another deep dive. Today we're going to be talking AI, but with a bit of a twist.
A
Yeah,
twist.
we all hear about AI writing poems and even composing music these days. Pretty wild stuff, right?
Oh, absolutely. It seems like every day there's something new and impressive.
But what about AI crunching numbers? Like really understanding math and stuff.
Ah, that's where things get really interesting.
Exactly. And that's what we're diving into today. How are researchers testing AI for being good with numbers, not just for the creative stuff?
I like that AI's got to have more than just language skills, right? Got to have some brains behind it all.
You got it. And we've got this super cool research snippet about a new tool um, from Peking University, I think.
Peking University, yep, they're doing some cutting edge work on AI evaluation.
So tell me, what is this new tool all about?
Well, they call it NumGLUE. Catchy, right?
GLUE.
Yeah, NumGLUE. And it's basically designed to put AI's numerical skills through the ringer. Think of it like a supercharged math exam for AI.
Oh, I like that analogy, a math exam for AI. But why? Why is this so important? We know AI can write a sonnet, so who cares if it can do algebra?
That's a good point, but think about it this way. AI is being used in more and more fields, like finance, for example, or scientific research, areas where, well, numbers are absolutely crucial.
Oh, I see where you're going with this. If an AI is going to be managing investments or analyzing experimental data, we got to be sure it can handle the math, right?
Exactly. We can't just assume AI understands compound interest just because it can write a haiku about a tree.
It makes total
Yeah.
sense. So this NumGLUE thing, how does it actually work? What kind of stuff does it test?
Well, it's not just basic arithmetic. NumGLUE tests AI on a whole range of numerical skills. We're talking algebra, statistics, even financial analysis. Like imagine an AI trying to make sense of a company's financial reports or digging through massive scientific data sets.
Whoa, that's some serious number crunching. And the source mentioned 10 different tasks, right? 10 different ways they're putting AI through these numerical paces.
Exactly. And each task is designed to challenge a different aspect of AI's numerical intelligence.
So like what kind of challenges? Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's see. One task might be predicting stock prices based on, analyzing a company's financial statements. Another might involve, well, statistical reasoning, where the AI has to draw conclusions from complex data sets. It's kind of like, a scientist analyzing the results of an experiment.
So it's not just about spitting out the right answer to a simple equation, right?
Yeah.
It's about actually understanding the data and drawing conclusions.
Right. It's about understanding context,
Right.
applying formulas in different situations really well, showing that it can think numerically.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And a little intimidating if you ask me. But I was also reading that NumGLUE found some AI models might be awesome at like basic math, but then struggle with stuff like risk assessment.
Oh, absolutely. And that's, pretty big deal, especially if we're talking about AI being used in fields like finance, right? You want to make sure it's not making risky bets with your money just because it aced its multiplication tables.
No kidding. So I guess that brings us back to why tools like NumGLUE are so important. They're helping us figure out where AI shines and where it still needs some work.
Precisely. It's like, how we assess human intelligence with different types of tests. You have your IQ tests, your standardized exams. Each one is designed to measure a different aspect of our cognitive abilities.
So benchmarks like NumGLUE are kind of like that, but for AI, right? They're giving us a way to really see what these systems are capable of and where we need to focus on improvements.
Exactly. It's all about developing more robust and reliable AI systems, and benchmarks like this are, well, essential for that.
Okay, so after this deep dive into AI and all this talk about number crunching, it just makes me wonder, if AI can master numbers, A&D language, that we were talking about earlier, what does that mean for, I don't know, for everything, for the future of jobs, for scientific discoveries?
Oh, without a doubt. It raises so many questions, and the possibilities are, well, pretty much endless. I mean, imagine an AI that can not only diagnose diseases, but also calculate the precise dosages for medications.
Wow.
Or an AI that can predict earthquakes or model climate change with incredible accuracy.
That's mind-blowing.
Yeah.
But, on a lighter note, could you imagine an AI writing a symphony while simultaneously calculating the precise mathematical ratios behind the melodies and harmonies? Talk about a creative genius.
Absolutely. We might be on the verge of an AI renaissance, one where science and art converge in ways we never thought possible.
It's exciting and honestly a little terrifying all at the same time. But one thing's for sure, we're living in a truly remarkable time, and who knows what incredible breakthroughs await us just around the corner.
I'm with you on that. The future of AI is full of potential, and it's up to us to guide its development in a way that benefits all of humanity.
Well said. And that, my friends, brings another deep dive to a close. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep those minds open to the amazing possibilities that lie ahead.
And remember, folks, stay curious.
Always.